Hi everybody, it's Peter Zalum's Griniflix Adventure 8 and welcome to another video. Today's video is about dash cams. A camera that you mount onto your windscreen of your car. It could monitor your journey and in the event of an accident have the necessary information to act as proof of actually what happened. Also with dash cams you can reverse in camera, so it can be used as a rear vision camera. Technology has moved ahead and I've been contacted by REDTIGER and they have supplied a dash cam for me to review, so that's what I'll be doing. Unboxing, just setting it up in my office here just to see how all the components work. Let's get on with the task. Once I've put all the unit together and tested it and given you my first impressions, I will make a follow-up video with regards to the installation in the car and then its practical use on the road as well, so that will be the follow-up video. What was sent to me was the box, also a hardwire kit. It's called for parking monitor mode. And then there's also some extension cables. What's in the box? Okay, well, we have this. First impressions, it's so small. I do have a dash cam right now mounted in my Toyota Hilux and I'm not very happy with it at all. The image is terrible. So if you can't see properly, well then it's useless as far as I'm concerned. But anyway, so that's where I'm coming from. I'm hoping that this is going to be much better. Alright, so this is the actual dash cam. And you can see how small it is. Alright, so we've got a camera there. We've got a little sticker here to protect the lens. So I will take that off just so you can see. So that's that. And then the back screen is this one here. So far this is all pretty logical. We'll take that one off as well. It's got a whole bunch of information. Please read the manual before using. Well, I'm going to attempt to do this without actually doing that. Do a bench test before installation. Well, this actually does say that. It says do the bench test. So that's what I'm going to be doing first. I guess this is the bench test. The micro SD card should be formatted in the dash cam before using. Alright, so that's good to have those little instructions on there, so that's actually quite useful. Alright, well that looks like a mount, a windscreen mount, and there are some connectors there. There are some connectors there. Yeah, that just slides in. There's an adjustable screw here, and then that would be stuck onto the windscreen. The camera would be facing forward, and the operation would be, there are buttons here on the right hand side. Up, down and M for menu, and then on the other side you've got the power button, and then you've got an mini SD card slot there. And up the top there you've got a USB-C connector, and then you've got an AV in port there to connect your rear view camera. Alright, so far it's pretty straightforward. So we've got instructions, F7N. There are some pictures. It's always good to have some pictures in a manual. Picture paints 1,000 words. We know that that's a backup. When all else fails, read the instructions. There's another box. This is a cable to plug into your power source, which is a conventional cigarette lighter output, like that. Alright, so that's straightforward. And here's the rear vision camera. So far, so good. So I have a micro SD card and it's spring loaded and it comes back out. So that's easy to get in and out. In this case here, I'm using an iTech World power station. Okay, so power is on. Let's go back here. Oh, look at this, it's all happening. Alright, so let's just take that sticker off so you can see. Press OK. To please format SD card, so that's the first thing. All data will be deleted, yes, okay. With that, Actually, it's a really clear image. That's a really nice image. Alright, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. That is a really high quality screen. Oh, so much better than anything else I've seen on my previous dash cams. Now, let's connect up the rear view camera. One of the downfalls in all my past dash cam videos has been the rear camera and how bad quality that is. Alright, so in this case here, our quality is 1080p. Now 1080p is still very good. Plug this in. And, oh yes, it's there. Alright, so straight away I can see that the rear camera video image is actually also very good and gives me a wide angle view. So far the bench test is working really well. Alright, I'm going to have to probably read the instructions and work out its operation, and then I can proceed with the installation on the car. Well, I hope this has been useful. First impressions, bench tests, it's a winner. It's on Amazon, and there I'll provide some links as well. If this is of interest to you, you can purchase one. Anyway, I hope that's been useful. If it's the first time to my channel, you haven't already subscribed, then press subscribe. Press notifications. You'll be notified when the next video is out, when I actually install it in the Hilux. If you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.